Hello everyone, this is my Army Men collection, as you can tell. Let's start off with the blues. Mainly these are Armies in Plastic / BMC / Timmy Toy Space models. These are World War II, World War One, and Vietnam-based poses in here as well. Let's move on to the tans. I have two different bins for the tans, as you can tell. These ones are for World War II and the Korean War and a little bit earlier base models, such as World War II Germans, Korean, no, this is Japanese soldier of World War II, and some Korean soldiers. This other one, this bag right here is full of Armies and plastic figures for the tans, but I just cut them inside of this. And here is more modern-based poses, such as Vietnam soldiers, as you can tell here, and modern-day U.S. soldiers, and also Special Forces base figures. Then from here, we move on to the grays, which is right here. They're mainly stuck between British knockoff versions of the Airfix paratroopers, as you can tell from here. Armies in plastic models, as you can tell here. A lot of knockoffs of Timmy Toys Vietnam soldiers, and BMC models. And these are some more special figures. The more dark gray ones are San Diego German troops, and the lighter gray ones are Mars Anti-Tank Squad Germans. So, yeah. Right here is a assortment of random colors I have. Such as these are black vehicles. So as we have my Navy in here for the blacks, and some Air Force. And here's the black figures I have, with just some black BMC Germans. Here we have some camels from Armies in Plastic. My yellows. These are my whites. White figures from Armies in Plastic, BMC, and Timmy Toys. Yep. Here we have my browns from BMC and Timmy Toys. And these are Airfix British infantry soldiers. I'm putting as brown. And these are my purples. Yep, these are my purples. Then from there we have our greens. From these are mainly focused on World War II based American poses, as you can tell from these. There's also knockoff versions of the Airfix British paratroopers, along with some female soldiers, which I also have in tan over there, and in blue. I just didn't show you. Yep, so pretty much like that. Some more of like earlier, maybe some later 18th century. Then, here we have more modern-day soldiers. As you can tell, more modern-day soldiers, Vietnam soldiers. And these are my Armies in Plastic soldiers I have for the greens. Then right here is my blue, these are all my blue vehicles. Right here is like a little bit of the blue Navy and Air Force a little bit. Then from here, I have the blue aircraft carrier right there. And then, all their vehicles. Right here we have my Orange Army, which is composed of mainly, of World War II British soldiers, which is actually most of it. And then also some more Western-based poses from BMC. Then right here is probably the most expensive bin I have here. These are all my green special figures, such as these soldiers are from Mars. most of these are from Mars base sets. We have some from Airfix, such as this Airfix U.S. infantry soldier, and also Waterloo. I think this company these guys are from. It's called Waterloo, I think. But yeah, those are my special poses bin for the greens. Speaking of greens, we have the lime greens here. Mainly World War II Japanese soldiers, as you can tell. And also some more Special Forces base figures for them. Then right here is my Red Army. These are proposed of many things. Timmy, Vietnam soldiers, World War II Russian soldiers, multiple different types of armies in plastic soldiers. These are Afghanistan tribesmen from armies in plastic, and some knockout versions of some British infantry. So that's pretty much them, including some more Special Forces figures, including the tank and mech, wherever it is in here. Those are pretty much all of my infantry, besides this one other thing. This is pretty much my American Civil War bin, which I haven't fully organized yet. Still trying to figure out how to fully organize this. Such as these are horses and cannons here. Some figures I'll probably never really use. And the rest of these are either from Armies in Plastic or another company, or from BMC, as you can tell from this guy, or from another company, which I forgot the names. Those are pretty much it for those. Then let's move on to the vehicles / artillery for the TANs. These are all my smaller based TAN vehicles, such as smaller tanks, aircraft, boats, and artillery pieces. All smaller, as you can tell. That's that. Then you have their actual military-based vehicles. We have examples as artillery pieces here, jeeps, some trucks in there, tanks, multiple variants. This is the Japanese World War II Japanese tank from BMC. Most of them I get from BMC / Timmy Toys, such as the M48 tank here, along with the AA down there, and many more tanks and other stuff from BMC. Then let's move on to the Greys. The Greys have very wide mixture of vehicles. Good chunk of them are pretty much German World War II vehicles, such as this Panzer IV. I also have a Tiger Panther, Tiger II, and the Japanzer IV all from BMC. Along with trucks, aircraft, and many more, including this small little bag which carries some flat guns, a turret for the Panzer IV, and some small little machine guns that go with some of the tanks. But yes, that's pretty much it for them. Then here's the main goal, the main section of us is the green, pretty much the green vehicles / artillery, pretty much. There's a lot here to go over. The Greens have a wide mixture of vehicles, such as World War II American tanks, as seen right here. A lot of different types of jeeps, vehicles, armored car here, helicopter there, and a lot more. Even having a T-34 in there, which is his one turret to it. A lot of artillery pieces, including Churchill Crocodile, which is also somewhere in there. A lot of vehicles, and these are smaller bags, such as this, which is proposed merely artillery and Air Force for them, along with a couple of vehicles that cannot fit in that bag there, which I'll go over in 1 second. But pretty much this is all that's inside of this one. This one is for all their weapons, based, such as machine guns, rockets, and some other stuff. These are all my miniature vehicles slash tanks for the Marines. And then the last ones I have down here are not exactly green. We have two of the two of the transports for the Ojima playset for from BMZ, and also two landing crafts as well. So those are pretty much all that. There's only one more thing to show you, which is gonna be my random box, as you can tell here. I'm just gonna throw this right here so make it easier for all of you. This is mainly focused between greens that I have no room for, such as these Korean World War II not World War II, Korean U.S. soldiers. Thank you. Some more World War II U.S. marching soldiers, including some other things in there. Some crappy brown army men I have is just in there. Probably use them for like death poses. My miniature green army. These are mainly focused between the Airfix Australian soldiers. Some more crappy army men for the Greens. These are Russian Civil War army men from Armies in Plastic. I just threw them in here because I didn't really know what to do with them. Because I'm not really sure I want to throw these in the green army yet. These are some painted soldiers I did here. Random green soldier I have. And these are just a random assortment of figures I haven't sorted out yet. So, yep, that is my collection. Please put down your thoughts in the description and put your thoughts about my collection. Alright. This is my collection. If you want another collection video going more in depth with it, I will do one. Just need to learn how to edit. And also another collection video for my accessories. For example, these explosions right here. That'll be part of my accessory video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a lovely day.